Hi everybody, it's DoJo-Doh, and today we're going to make a rainbow pie with a black cup of coffee. We have a knife, we have a cup, we have a tray of molds, but all you need is a star mold. We have a plate, we have a bowl, we have blue Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, silver Play-Doh, neon green Play-Doh, and black Play-Doh. So let's first start with these 2 cans of Play-Doh and our bowl and our knife. So we're going to take our blue Play-Doh out and use our knife to get it out. And then it goes up there. And then we'll push our blue Play-Doh into the bowl. And then we're gonna cut around the outline and tip it over. So that's our first layer of our pie. Next we're going to use our green Play-Doh, cut into it, get the Play-Doh out, and make our second layer of pie. And press it in firmly. And then cut around it, take it out. So there's our pie layer. First we're going to use our blue pie and then our green pie. Press it on top and then we're going to cut the little pie, little things in it. Just like that. Take our pink Play-Doh, get our star mold, and press it out like that and stick it in a star mold. Just like that, and then take it out, and there's our star. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. So there's our pie. Next, we're going to make our black cup of coffee, and we're going to use our gray to make little steam coming up. And our coffee's going to sit right on the plate. So let's take out our black Play-Doh. And we'll set our plate over by the pie. And first we're going to push in some black Play-Doh. And all the way until we get right to the top. And then take off all the extra. Push that to the side. Take our gray Play-Doh. We need about the same amount of pink. And then take our little piece, roll it out into a little kind of cylinder shape. Press it down and put it on top. So that's how you make steam. And you're gonna make 3 more of them. So we'll stick this one on, and it can be any shape or size. And we'll put that one on. And we'll put this one on. And there's our cup of coffee. So here's the meal we've made today. I hope you like this video and have a great day.